Let's pretend you're part of the 1996 Olympics. It is the first time in history that the U.S. team is ahead in position for a gold, and your goal lead is a .0897. Your teammate, Dominic, has just fallen her chimes. It is up to you. You do your vault, you land, and you hear a pop, and a pain shoots up your leg, and you fall backwards. You have seconds to decide. Do you get up and go for the gold, or do you focus on the pain? Carrie decided to get up. She went back, she did her vault, she landed again. More pain shot up through her, and she was determined not to lose the stand. She stuck. She was determined not to fall down, and she didn't. For me, my pop in my life was a divorce, and my teammates were my children. They were depending on me. I had to stick it. I had to be determined to stand and not to let anything fall. My children helped me go forward. I focused on my goal to see my children rise up to be great women. I didn't focus on the pain. I focused on the pain. I didn't. What are you teaching your children to focus on? What are they learning from you? Do you focus on the pain, or do you look for the goal?